There's a gold rush on Etsy that is pissing me off. Now, pissing me off in a good way, because I spend hundreds of thousands of dollars on my equipment, on inventory, and years of perfecting the system, the process in order to make the product and bring it to Etsy marketplace. These guys, they utilize all of that from their computer and sell the same product. While I'm sweating in my shop, getting these orders out, they're doing the same exact thing, but on their computer and not investing a single dime into equipment or infrastructure. In this video, I'm going to share with you guys that opportunity that you guys can jump on today. Now, I know this because I'm one of the guys that manufactures their products while they're on vacation. I'm here with my team manufacturing their dog collars. Now, am I upset? Absolutely not. It's a whole thing where I'm making money while they make money. So let me explain all of that in this video. Now, if you're new, my name is Vlad. I've been a seller. I've been a top seller on Etsy for the past 5 years. And I also consult and obviously manufacture for top sellers. So when it comes to building an Etsy business from your computer or actual product production, this is the channel that you want to watch, what you want to follow, subscribe, hit the bell notification, because some things that I share here are time sensitive, especially going into the holiday season. Now, when I talk about Gold Rush, I'm talking about that when you're selling a very unique product, when you're selling a very specific product that Printful or Printify, these are all big print-on-demand companies. They manufacture very generic things like t-shirts, mugs, very generic. It oftentimes has a high competition on Etsy. And what these guys are doing is they're finding a very specific product that is doing like really, really well. And they're connecting with an Etsy shop that manufactures that product and makes a deal with them saying, hey, can you manufacture for my Etsy shop as well as your Etsy shop? Now, I know what you're probably thinking. I've heard these comments all the time. You can't compete with the original Etsy shop because they're going to be outperforming you in price. They're obviously going to have to charge you so that they're profitable, and they're going to sell it at a much cheaper cost than you will. Let me just tell you that my top performing pet product store that has over 120,000 sales on Etsy, they were able to start a brand new Etsy shop and within months be able to outperform my already existing Etsy shop. This is a strategy that, just like TikTok, just like Instagram, followers don't matter. Sales history don't matter. And one more thing I would add is that price doesn't matter as much. There are many surveys done about whether customers care about price or not. And usually it's about $5 to $10 when it comes to competing with your competitors. Customers don't care within that price range. And it's been proven again and again that customers on Etsy, they don't care about price as much as we think. When I discovered that my sellers are making more sales on a daily basis and they're pricing it higher than me, I all of a sudden raised the prices on all my dog collars. Let me just tell you that. So just like TikTok and Instagram, followers don't matter, previous sales and price doesn't matter as much as you think. So these brand new Etsy shops start up and they start selling this product and they outperform your shop within months. So what does this say? By the way, if you are a seller who has equipment and infrastructure, make sure to welcome these people in because this creates a very sustainable business. It's a really beautiful business model. So when I say pissing me off, I really mean it out a good way because I want more sellers to sell my product and I'm going to building a manufacturing gig in my shop. But what they're able to do is they set up a system, set up an Etsy shop that performs really good within months. Then they move on to the next product because why? They don't have equipment that they have to pay off. They don't have inventory they need to restock. They just take care of it right there and then continue to scale another Etsy shop with another company. So the potential for you to generate revenue or generate income is really infinite. It's just a matter of how much hustle you're able to take on. And by the way, I have a full free course down in the description below to sign up with We Engrave. They actually offer the similar services that I am. And there's a lot of other Etsy sellers that are offering the same services, whether it's tumblers, whether it's very specific. Now, let me tell you about why this is such a powerful method. Really two reasons. When you sell a Printify or Printful product, you're selling a generic product. Usually it's either a canvas or a t-shirt or a mug. A lot of people are selling this kind of stuff. But what you're able to do is just research first, right? You're not committing to nothing. You're just researching what is selling out there. And once you discover a highly profitable, highly successful product that you know for a fact will be successful, and then you find a manufacturer or somebody that has equipment to fulfill this product, you're going to have a much quicker time growing on Etsy because you are actually putting a bet on a product that will be successful. And so that's the first thing. The second thing is you're not committing to nothing. You're just committing to a relationship that's set by you and the seller. Now, granted, there are some details to work out, and between me and my sellers, there was some opportunity for us to really adjust my product on my end, and they had to adjust cash flow or how they do it on their end. All of that we had to set up. We use ShipStation as the middle platform where all the orders are coming from or coming into from Etsy, and then I'm able to log into ShipStation and see all the orders But the beauty thing about it is they can scale however many stores, however many products they want, because they're not committing by inventory. They're not committing by equipment. Now, it's really important that you choose the right partners if you are choosing to go on this route of selling product where other customers or other sellers are going to manufacture your product. You want to make sure they have some sort of a track record of fulfilling orders. If they do, all of a sudden, like I said, the potential is really, really infinite. These guys, they're making over 200 sales per day. Every single day, I look at their manifest, how much they manufacture or how much orders they sold. It's like hundreds of orders each and every day. So this opportunity is very massive, and I'm not sure why so many people are not jumping on it. Here's the other thing. When you create a listing, you know how it says production partners? It doesn't mean Printify or Printful. We all of a sudden think of print on demand the traditional way. Production partners could be your next door neighbor. It could be your grandma with an embroidery machine. That's your production partner. And Etsy encourages that because you have your creativity that you're going to outsource or maybe do it yourself, and you're going to put it on a product that will be manufactured by somebody else. So you're creating a business just out of thin air of a physical product. You can even build your own brand, for crying out loud. Build your Shopify, sell it on Amazon Handmade. By the way, subscribe to this channel because I also talk about Amazon Handmade as well. Now, I talk about this all the time because I can talk about this because this actually happened to me. There was a product that I started selling with this model that did extremely well. Like I said, $500 in sales in one day at the end of month one. I made $2,000 the last week of the first month. I made $2,000 in sales. This is a print-on-demand style business, guys. This is working from your computer. You find a product that makes $700, $1,000, $2,000 in sales per day. You find a product like that on Etsy. You reach out to the seller, and if the sellers are big enough, they're going to make money and they're able to make that deal. You are actually able to sell a product that makes thousands of dollars in sales per day. So if you're flipping through these videos and you just don't know where to land, guys, you can literally sell anything in 2024. And this is a massive gold rush on Etsy. Check out the free link in the description below. I actually teach you how to onboard with a company doing that. Everything's for free. Sign up, put your email in. I will send you the login. You will get the access to the free course. Watch it, guys. Don't miss out on this opportunity because it's going to get filled up pretty quick. Guys, this is an opportunity that might not last for long. So check it out. Until next time, you guys have a good one.